وقار شفيع.
ونصلي ونسلم على رسول الكريم أما بعد فأعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Respected chief guests, respected scholars, and honorable audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today the topic of my speech is Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Sir Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal was a poet, a philosopher, and a statesman in British India who was born on November 9, 1877 and passed away on April 23, 1938. He was considered one of the most important figures in Urdu literature, with literary work both in the Urdu and Persian languages. Iqbal was called the Muslim philosophical thinker of the modern times. He is known as Shair Mashriq, meaning the poet of the East. He was also known as Mufakkir Pakistan, the inceptor of Pakistan, and Hakim al-Ummah, the sage of the Ummah. In Iran and Afghanistan, he is famous as Iqbal Lahori and is most appreciated for his Persian work. His first poetry book, Asrar-e-Khudi, appeared in the Persian language in 1915, and other books of poetry included Ramuz-e-Bekhudi, Piyam-e-Mashriq, and Zabur-e-Ajam. Amongst these, his best-known Urdu works were Bang-e-Dara, Bal-e-Jibril, a part of Armughan Hijaz, and also Pash-e-Bayat Qard. Iqbal delivered a series of lectures at different educational institutions that were later on published by the Oxford Press as the reconstruction of religious Islamic thoughts in Islam. Ladies and gentlemen, Iqbal, after completing his Master of Arts degree in 1899, initiated his career as a reader of Arabic at Oriental College, but shortly was selected as a junior professor of philosophy at Government College Lahore, where he had also been a student. Iqbal worked there until he left for England in 1905. Iqbal was highly influenced by his teacher Sir Thomas Arnold, who advised Iqbal to pursue higher education in the West. Therefore, Iqbal traveled to England in 1905, and over there, he qualified for a scholarship at Trinity College in Cambridge and obtained his Bachelor of Arts degree in 1906. And in the same year, he obtained his Bar Law degree in Lincoln Inn Law College in London. In 1907, Iqbal moved to Germany to study doctorate and obtained his PhD degree from Ludwig Maximilian University in Munich in 1908. Working under the guidance of Friedrich Hommel, Iqbal published his doctoral thesis in 1908 entitled The Development of Metaphysics in Persia. In 1908, Iqbal returned from England and joined again the same college as a professor of philosophy and English literature. In 1908, he also began practicing law at High Court Lahore, but soon quit law practice and devoted himself in literary works, and also became an active member of Anjuman-e-Himayat Islam. In 1919, he became the General Secretary of this organization. Iqbal's ideas and his work focused on spiritual direction and the development of human society that were centered around his experiences from travels and stays in the Middle East and Western Europe. The poetry and philosophy of Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi rahmatullah alayh bore the deepest influence on Iqbal's mind. Deeply grounded in religion since childhood, Iqbal began intensely concentrating on the study of Islam. The study of Islam, its culture and history of the Islamic civilization and its political future, while embracing Maulana Rumi as his guide. In his presidential address on December 29, 1930, Iqbal outlined a vision for an independent state. Iqbal outlined a vision for an independent state for Muslim majority provinces in northwestern India. Iqbal said, I would like to see Balochistan, Sindh, Northwest Frontier Province, and all amalgamated into a single state. Self-government within the British Empire or without the British Empire. The formation of a consolidated northwestern Indian Muslim state appears to me to be at least of northwest India. He wrote many articles in the English language, besides his Urdu and Persian literary works, in which he revealed his thoughts regarding Persian ideology and Islamic Sufism. In particular, his belief that Islamic Sufism activates the searching soul for one to a superior perception of life. He also discussed philosophy, God and the meaning of prayer, Muslim culture and human spirit, as well as other political, social, and religious problems. Iqbal passed away on April 21st, 1938 due to a severe throat infection that lasted long till his death. He will be remembered in the hearts of many Muslims till the day of judgment because he left this message. तेरे दरिया में तूफान क्यों नहीं है, खुद ही तेरी मुसलमान क्यों नहीं है, अब से शिकवा तकदीर यज़ां, तू खुद तकदीर यज़ां क्यों नहीं है, वमा अलैना इल्ला अल बलाग।